Let me show you an easy way to track Google AI overviews for your website's ranking. Now, if you're on Google and let's say you have a nursery or plant company and you wanted to type in something like roses and you wanted to see, does it show up on Google's AI overview? Does it provide more information? Does it encourage customers to come to your website and buy roses or whatever plants? Keep in mind, it's not a great idea to just randomly fumble through Google itself, but to use a third-party tool. And one of the best third-party tools is my partner, SEMrush, their SEMrush One product. Now, I'll provide a link in the description, but also all you need to do is tap on that link, and you'll go directly to this screen where you'll be able to get 7 days for free to see if you like the product, if it's helpful for your company. And from there, you can start paying for it. But I'll show you how to use it. Let's go to SEMrush here. And once we're on SEMrush, we can hover over the AI visibility and we can go to a bunch of different options on here. I'll go to visibility overview here. And let's say, again, I have a plant nursery. I'm going to use a company that is nearby me called plantdelights.com. Now, once we're on here, you'll be able to see I can search for the visibility overview. This is just within AI. So you'll also be able to see your visibility within Google, just general Google searches. But if you want to see the visibility specifically within Google AI, you'll be able to see on here, I can tap on all AI platforms and just go to AI overview. Now, you'll be able to see it says total AI visibility and AI overview here. You'll be able to see where you rank in terms of other competitors. You'll be able to see the monthly audience, the mentions, cited pages, but it's really informative to scroll down a bit. Now, you'll be able to see some searches that will prompt your specific company to show up. Now, let's say Taiwan lily. So I can go into Google here and I can just search in Taiwan lily. And you'll be able to see that your company will pop up with the results here. You'll be able to see if I might need to just type that into here and then go to AI mode. And it should pop up with your specific companies on here. It's not quite popping up here, so it might have dropped off. But once you hit show all, it might show your specific company. Let's see if Plant Delights shows up on this list. So it should show up. It might basically swap them out. It might show up sometimes for some searches, but not for others. But it gives you a good idea, where was it? There it is, of the keywords or the searches within AI that you rank well for. Now, you can go through all of these and you can choose to monitor these specific searches, but you can also go to topic opportunities. This is a great option because there are certain searches within AI mode or AI overview that you are not characterizing your specific website on, or you don't have articles on, or you're just in this specific search not showing up. So let's say I type in plants under crepe myrtle. And if I do type that in and paste it in here, you'll be able to see some of your competitors that show up on here, whereas you don't show up. So you can see Plant Addicts, which might be a competitor of your specific website. So again, these are great options for you to be able to characterize your specific AI overviews on what you're showing up for your company, and gaps that you might want to go in terms of these topic opportunities and go through here, make more articles or more information associated with any of these topics. It's a great way to boost your visibility within AI.